Hey Blade Ops, we've been meaning to do a ZT0055 demo, but the last two batches we got in sold out pretty quick. So today we are showing off the newer ZT GTC collaboration. This is a flipper with S30V steel, stonewash blade, and an awesome mechanism, super stylish knife, definitely very unique, and we'll show you what it looks like. And of course, we'd love to get your opinion. So there's a good look at the handles. Very cool lines and design. Dual grind there with a long, this is a very unique swedge. I love how that adds to the blade shape, and the dual bevels there, dual grind. So you can see on the back there, 055 GTC design, serial number, of course, patent pending, and the pocket clip, right or left-handed. So frame lock design, show you that detent one more time, and then we'll show you the mechanism. Very nice. So this is a spring-loaded flipper tab. So the knife isn't spring-loaded, but the flipper tab is. You can see you pull the flipper tab down, then it engages the knife, but when you're not using it, the flipper tab is up. So you pull the tab down, it engages the blade, give it a little pressure, and it flips up. One of the best parts about the spring-loaded flipper tab is the tab is now, instead of sticking out like that on most knives, it's concealed up into the handle. So a great design, very innovative, and a really cool blade. But of course, we'd love to know what you have to say about it. There's a little zoom in of it. So, of course, very well executed by ZT, a unique flipper. GTC did a great job. So there it is, spring-loaded tab and fully concealed. So comment down below, let us know what you think about the new ZT 055, and there you have it. Check it out. Blade Ops.